Hello there, this is John of Art. Welcome once again to our Ilonggo tutorial session. And I'm here basking out in the sun during COVID-19 times. And I'm taking this opportunity to record what's going on in our part of the globe. And also to throw in some Ilonggo words for your learning. One of the ways to boost your immunity and to fight whatever disease that might try to attack the body is to go out in the sun and enjoy some vitamin D. So I'm here right now. Um, I've been out here for about more than an hour already, and behind me is a clump of cogon grass. That's become my excuse to do some kind of physical movement, physical exercise, to exercise my body, since I don't really go to the gym. And so this is sort of my gym. So I cut the grass and make use of it. So I have a project. One word that usually creep up in my mind, especially during this time, is the word damgo. It feels like daw naga-damgo lang ako. Or it feels like I'm dreaming. Damgo meaning dream. It's a surreal feeling to be alive at this time and witnessing names, because so far, which is so good, so far I don't know of any person that I personally know that is directly affected. But I know of some friends who are medical frontliners, doctors, nurses who are out there in the battlefield, um, fighting this war against the virus. And so it all feels like a dream. So it's like a damgo. I guess I'm just not the only one who feels that this is all a dream. Dao damgo, or sort of a dream. Dao means like, or Dao, or like a similar to, or feels like. So that's Dao. So Dao damgo. It's like a dream. Well, this is a reality. I pinch myself. I'm wide awake and know that things are happening. But also, it feels like a dream. So I hope that we all wake up. Bugtao. Wake up, bugtao, bugtao. That a terrible dream or a nightmare is bangungot. So wow, I wish this is just a bad dream, a bangungot. But so far, I see names, I see people, I see doctors, I see medical frontliners, and a lot of people, celebrities, senators, politicians, that are affected. So everyone is affected, and everyone is, in their own way, reaching out to higher power to draw strength from, and to figure out some kind of healing for everyone. So hello. Hey, Mamba, come here. Come here. Come here. This is Mamba, my new puppy. So I'm sad to say also that Jaja and people, they're gone. But now I have Mamba with me, named after Kobe Bryant, the Black Mamba. So Mamba showed up in my life just when Kobe Bryant went away. So that's Mamba. Woo! Mamba here. Mamba, Mamba, Mamba. For your Ilonggo words, Ilonggo tutorial. Very playful. Kapalahampang. Hampang play. Very playful. Okay, stop it, Mamba. Okay, this is John of Art and Mamba. And see you once again in our next video. Bye for now.